Hello, and welcome to this in-depth exploration of the exciting and mysterious concept of wormholes in space. Wormholes are a fascinating idea that have captured the imaginations of scientists, science fiction writers, and the general public for decades. They are essentially theoretical passages through space-time that could connect distant regions of the universe or even different universes. The idea of wormholes was first introduced by physicist Albert Einstein and his collaborator Nathan Rosen in the 1930s. They were working on a theory of general relativity and came up with a solution that showed the possibility of a bridge or tunnel through space-time. In the following decades, scientists have explored the concept of wormholes in more detail. Some have even proposed that wormholes could be used for faster-than-light travel, which would enable us to travel vast distances in space in a matter of minutes or even seconds. While there is no direct evidence for the existence of wormholes, some scientists believe they may exist and that we may one day be able to detect them. One way they could potentially be detected is through their gravitational effects on nearby objects. Another interesting aspect of wormholes is the idea of time travel. According to some theories, if a person were to travel through a wormhole, they would not only be transported to a different location in space, but also a different time. However, the concept of wormholes and time travel remains highly speculative and is not supported by mainstream science. Many scientists believe that the laws of physics as we currently understand them would prevent the creation of stable wormholes, let alone their use for time travel. Despite this, the idea of wormholes continues to captivate the imagination of scientists and the general public alike. It represents one of the many exciting and unknown frontiers in our understanding of the universe. So, what exactly are wormholes and how do they work? A wormhole is essentially a shortcut through space-time that could connect to distant points in the universe. This connection is made through a tunnel-like structure that acts as a bridge between two points in space-time. One of the key features of a wormhole is that it could potentially allow for faster-than-light travel. This is because the tunnel-like structure of a wormhole could allow objects to travel through it much faster than they would be able to through normal space. In theory, a person could enter a wormhole at one point in space and time, and then emerge at another point, potentially millions or even billions of light years away. This idea has been popularized in many science fiction stories and movies. However, despite the excitement surrounding wormholes, many scientists believe that the laws of physics as we currently understand them would prevent the creation of stable wormholes. In order for a wormhole to exist, it would require large amounts of negative energy, which is a type of energy that has not been observed in the universe. Furthermore, even if a wormhole were to exist, it would likely be extremely unstable and subject to collapse. This would make it nearly impossible to traverse and could potentially be dangerous for any objects or beings that entered it. Despite these challenges, the idea of wormholes continues to be a topic of interest for scientists and researchers. Some believe that with advances in our understanding of physics and the universe, we may one day be able to create stable wormholes and even explore their potential for faster-than-light travel and time travel. So there you have it. An in-depth look at the exciting and mysterious concept of wormholes in space. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking.